Hey, how's it going, guys? Today, I want to show you guys my combination toolkit made by DeWalt. So this basically contains from DeWalt brushless drill. It's max 20 volt max brushless DeWalt drill, and then impact driver, which is also DeWalt 20 volt max brushless. So the kit came with the bag, with the carry bag. It You can just throw them in there and then just carry it with you wherever you go, or any job site that you're gonna be working on. And then these also came with two 20 volt max lithium ion batteries and the charger. Um, so it's just gonna be brief kind of overview and my opinion about this toolkit. So I had this toolkit for about 2-3 months now, and I use them for my like DIY projects at home. I use this kit for installing my surveillance cameras around the house, also fixing a few things here and there. And so far, I've been pretty impressed with this combination tool. So these are not XR models, so I mean, for like basic home use, they're more than enough in my opinion. So far I haven't had any issues. They've been performing pretty well as I expected. So this drill cordless drill actually has two variation speeds. So it's faster when it's two, or you can switch over to one, which is just going to be slower motion. It does come with LED light, one LED light. So let me demonstrate it for you. So you place in the battery, and it's in the lock position. There you go. And yeah, I mean, the grip itself it's solid. It's not too heavy, but at the same time, it's not too light. It's just perfect for holding with one hand, or you can just press from the back if you're drilling through some thicker wood or concrete or whatever, or like a couple of layers of dry wood. So you can actually hold from the back, press it, and then press on the trigger. So of course it drives forward and backwards, so you just switch it from here. What else? Yeah, so I mean, this is drill, so it's a basic drill, perfect for home use. I don't know if it's gonna be powerful enough or good enough for construction, like for businesses, but for around the house, this is just more than enough. And then here's the impact driver. It's really good actually. I mean, I've been using this more than actually the drill itself. I mean, you can even actually, I guess, drill with it if you have a proper adapter or whatever. It's pretty powerful. Also comes with one LED light. Let me put this battery in there. Same thing. This one does not have any adjustments, so it's just one setting basically. But it's pretty powerful. I mean, it's good actually. It's been pretty reliable so far. Haven't had any issues. And then again, body. I mean, the structure build structure is about the same. So same grip, um, same handles and everything. So weight is about the same as well. Yeah, I mean, these are made. I believe these are made in China. The model for impact driver is DCF787. Here are the specs if you need them. By no means I'm a professional builder or construction worker. I'm just a regular guy that does like DIY stuff around the house. So, I mean, for me, these are perfect actually for my needs. So that's that, and then the drill is DCD 777. It's made in China. I mean, I know XR models are made in the United States, but these are made in China. But then again, I mean, it's DeWalt. They all come with 3 year warranty. Like I said, I had them for a few months. So far, it's been pretty good. No issues. But I am looking forward to use them, put them to use even more, and provide my feedback as we go. But so far, this has been a pretty good actually toolkit. I can if you guys are interested, I can place in a link where I got them from. I believe I bought them from off of Lowe's, and I can share the link if you guys are interested. And if you guys like this video, please give a thumbs up, or any comments, questions, so you can leave them down below in the comment section. And in the future, I'm actually planning on reviewing my other toolkit from made by DeWalt. I just bought a XR toolkit with 6 tools. They had a good deal going on at Lowe's during these holidays. And then I recently also purchased a jigsaw XR, also made by DeWalt. Um, the reason I purchased those kits, I mean the other XR models, is because we're planning on remodeling the house, and I'm gonna be doing that with my wife. So if you guys looking forward to see that, subscribe on our channel, and I'll be uploading more videos as we go. And yeah, I mean, thanks so much for watching, and hope you guys enjoy your holidays. Stay safe, and see you guys later. Bye.